So Lijiang now, it means home. It means it's where my future is, it's where my family is, it's where my roots will grow.
I love that it is so beautiful. I love that it still surprises me that, you know, the beauty that I see around me, even in Lijiang, maybe even 10 minutes from where I walk, you know, say, sometimes I'm walking across the bridge, an old worn out bridge, and which is, you know, shiny, and the light just bounces off it, and you go, I want to take a picture of that.
To me, there's still a very rich subculture of real life here in Lijiang, and you know, the way the old people choose to dress every day is still traditional. Their habits, their food, their customs, and their beliefs are all still there. But you've got to look for it, you know, and that's what appeals to me the most, because I like to explore. So
everything. I mean, it's just so rich here, and precious culture and nature again. It's one of the most amazing places on the planet, I think.
The air quality here is still really good. Scenery is gorgeous, and there's a lot of ethnic variety here. So if you appreciate traditional culture, I mean, Lijiang is a great place.
I've been in China now for 11 years, on and off, but it's still something that amazes me. The mountains, the altitude, and that people have been living here for so long.
In my free time, personally, I like to be outdoors as much as possible. And I mean, Lijiang is a great location for that. There's really good mountain biking in the foothills. And you can go trekking up to 4,500 meters easily from town in a day or even a half day if you're fit.
We found out about here because it's quite close to another rock climbing area. There's a place called Liming, which is part of Laojunshan, the national park, and it's already quite a well-known rock climbing area. So we were climbing there, and we met some other people, and they said they found another area. It was, you should go and have a look. So we came to have a look, and we just immediately fell in love with the village.
people are very connected to the ground, they're very connected to each other, the traditions are still there, the festivals are still there, and they do it for themselves, not for the tourists. I mean, sure, if you go to the main market square, the ladies are there every night holding hands, dancing, which they do. If you go into the villages on the right time, they'll be doing that because that's what they do, not because they have to do it for the tourists.
I believe that this part of China, this part of Yunnan Province, is very rich in culture, and I literally fall in love to these places and to these people.
Now Lijiang is part of my life, and when I decide the place, because the world is so huge, and I really want to travel, and I have a lot of freedom. If I really don't like a place, I just move. And if I choose here to live, it's because I'm happy here. I want to help here. I want to do not important things, but maybe you can change the life of some people.
For me, like the northwest of Yunnan is probably one of the most incredible places to travel in the world. And now, I mean, every time I come up to Lijiang, it just kind of feels like, it feels a little bit nostalgic. It always has a special place in my heart.